this is Bima Ditya, so thank you for visiting my channel. Today I want to share to you about how to make a photo shoot for your own product like this. You have a coffee shop, you have groceries, you have any other retail business. I have a coffee shop, by the way, so today I'm selling my grocery store. There is a matcha green tea powder, this is a butterfly blue flower. So after this, I'm gonna show you the real way how to shoot simple, ordinary products with a ridiculous studio box that I made from used instant noodles pots, but it works so well. Stay tuned in this channel. This is gonna be interesting. What a lovely day. Today I'm just finishing a photo shoot for my groceries products. So I own a cafe in Yogyakarta, Indonesia. It's about 1.5 hours flight from Bali. So just in case you guys visit Indonesia, you can come to my cafe. There is actually my grandma's house. It's called 10 Cafe. So 10 is a number in Bahasa Indonesia. So 10 is 10. So because my grandmother's number is 10, so we put a name into 10. So yeah, it's quite terrible during this pandemic. So tourism is, everything is chaos. There is no tourists in my city. So actually my guest house is totally blank. There is no guest at all. And what I'm selling right now is about promoting my own cafe, like a regular drinks, cappuccino, espresso, piccolo, and some other drinks. But right now I push my team to promote to selling beans. This bean is coming. This is a robusta bean from East Java, and We also provide the butterfly tea flowers, so like blue flowers for making some tea. And then yeah, a lot of various products like matcha green tea and chocolate. So yeah, just in case you guys visiting Yogyakarta, you can go to around Sultan Palace area and there is a Sapulu coffee. And today what I'm going to share to you is about how to make simple photo shoot products for your own products. I don't know, you have your own business or something. That's really simple. I only use the old Canon EOS amp, so I will put the links on the description below, or you can browse on my blog. I put some articles about best mirrorless that you can buy for less than $1,000. So it's really simple. I use Canon, but you also can use Sony, you can use Fujifilm, you can use Olympus, any brand camera. But this is the magic. So I only made this studio box with a scratch instant noodle box. So I cut this into square, and then I put the diffuser paper. So actually this is paper for making some bread in the pastry store or something. Then I put the hole in here, and in here. So there is 3 holes that I cover with what we call it as a diffuser. So I'm not using any artificial light, so I only use the sunlight. So it is a totally available light. Yeah, it's terrible because I have to wait several minutes to get the perfect sunlight. But it doesn't matter if you want to do it in a budget way. This is the best solution for me. But if you want to have some studio lighting, there is a continuous light, flash, blah blah blah. I will put the links below. You can buy it on Amazon. And the next one is this paper. Actually, this is super cheap paper. I only bought this around less than $1. So it has 2 surfaces, the black and the white. But right now, since I'm thinking about making a photo shoot for my coffee shop, so maybe dark side will be more masculine. So here it is. Really simple, really cheap, and I'm sure you can make this stuff at home. Yeah, I know Amazon also sell way better than this, like less than $100 if you just lazy to make this stuff, or you don't have any source, you don't have any store nearby your house. You can buy on Amazon. It's really easy, really simple, really cheap. I will put the links below. So once again, thank you for visiting my channel. I hope you enjoy for what I'm sharing today, and good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, yeah.